How to use VLC for video playback. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into VLC Media Player, a free and powerful tool for playing all sorts of videos on your computer. Let's explore the basics of using VLC for a smooth playback. Alright, fire up VLC. You can either drag and drop a video file directly into the VLC Media Player media or use the open file option in the media menu. Browse to your video file and click open. VLC's interface is pretty straightforward. The playback controls are located in the bottom. You've got the play and pause button, and you've got different other buttons to have different options for your video. Need to jump ahead or rewind? Click on the progress bar right here and you can move forward with the video, or you can go back in the video. Hold down the left or right arrow keys on your keyboard to rewind or fast forward frame by frame. Clicking and dragging the progress bar itself lets you scrub through the video. Want to immerse yourself in the video? Double click anywhere in the video or press F11 key on your keyboard and this puts VLC in full screen mode. You can hit ESC or Ish up or double click again to exit full screen mode. Hit the spacebar on your keyboard for the pause button to temporarily stop the video or start it. And you can take a video snapshot to capture a still image of that moment. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.